Welcome back to another video. Today we got the garden hose quick connect or quick coupler set from Harbor Freight. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, to deals. Yeah, we got another review today. So we got item number 62615. It's a Greenwood garden hose quick coupler set, 6-piece. In other words, it's just a quick connect for the garden hose. And as we see at the bottom, it says access to hard to reach faucet easily. Finely crafted for solid brass, includes 4 male and 2 female couplers. New. So basically, it's a quick connect for the garden hose. It's a really nice thing. If you have like a spray nozzle or just a power washer or anything like that, it would definitely help you out. It'll make things quicker, going from one item to another at the garden hose. Alright, let's get to the unboxing. See here, made in China. Alright, let's do the unboxing here. Pretty simple. Here is just a package with some cardboard and alright, we got a total of 4 I believe this is the, this does come off. So this is, a little dirty, as you guys could see. It's not the best quality out there, but other than that, everything seems to be pretty well made. Like I said, just a few pieces of metal in there from Harbor Freight there. Same thing with this. You probably need to clean it out before you put it in your garden hose, if you're going to be running this through a filter. So we'll definitely recommend that. Alright, we got a garden hose here. Looks like it goes all the way in. We got the hose end here, and it's pretty much there's a hole in there, so if you need to open the hose, so this is how you put it in. Push this back. It's like a regular quick connect. Then you got a solid connection there. You can turn it to the sides. Water is on. We got no leaks. Got a little harder when you turn it. As you see, I got a lot of pressure in my hose. I gotta say, I'm pretty happy with these. They're doing their job. So to disconnect this, I guess, let me see. Turn off the hose and let the pressure out. Once you let the pressure out, you can probably, and there you go. That's the way you do it. Pretty good. Gotta say, I'm pretty impressed with this, with these fittings. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, to deals, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.